Hello, my dear students. How are you today? I hope you're all good. Our lesson for today is about numbers in ascending and descending orders. First, we will start with some vocabulary. When numbers are arranged from the smallest to the greatest number, we call this one as ascending order. All right. Do you understand? Ascending order, it means from the smallest to the greatest number. All right. So let's watch a video about ascending numbers. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Let us meet Rahul. He has to climb 10 steps which are numbered 1 to 10. Rahul starts from step number 1. He climbs on to step number 2. Then to step number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and finally to step number 10. Did you observe that as he climbs up each step, he is ascending or moving to a greater number than the previous number? Thus, we say that when the numbers are arranged from the smallest to the greatest, they are in the increasing or ascending order.
All right. Do you understand the video? Yes or no? Yes. So Rahul start from step 1 and goes to step 10. So that is ascending order, increasing in number. Do you understand? All right. When numbers are arranged from the greatest to the smallest number, we call this one as descending order. So from the greatest to the smallest number.
He is on step number 10 and has to come down to step number 1. He comes down to step number 9, which brings him to a lower level than step number 10. Then to step number 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and finally to step number 1. Did you observe that as he comes down each step, he is descending or moving to a smaller number than the previous number? Thus, we can say that when numbers are arranged from the greatest to the smallest, they are in the decreasing or descending order.
All right, do you understand? So that is a descending order. All right, so the number is decreasing from the greatest to the smallest number. You understand? All right, so that is our video about decreasing number or descending order. All right, for our exercises, please use a recycled paper because you are going to write your answers. All right, are you ready? Okay, for our first exercise, you are going to fill in the missing numbers. So you have to look at the picture. We have this, a boy. So the boy starts with number 1. So number 1 going to number 10. All right. So that is ascending orders. Okay, so what is the missing number? Can you tell me? Yes? Good job. So after 1 is 2. Next, number 3. And next, what number? 4. What's next? 5. What's next? 6. What's next? 7. What's next? 8. What's next? 9. All right. So those are the missing numbers. Did you get them correctly? Yes? Very good. All right, next we have a girl. So the girl starts with number 10 to number 1. So that is descending order. So you are going to fill in the missing numbers by writing the numbers on your paper. Okay, so you will write down your answers on a piece of recycled paper. Do you understand? All right. Okay, are you done? 10. All right, goes down. 9. And it goes down. 8. Then it goes down to number 7. And it goes down to number 6. And it goes down to number, what number? Number 5. Good job. And it goes down to number 4. And it goes down to number 3. And it goes down to number, what number? 2. Good job. Okay, and 1. So that is descending order from 10 going to 1. Greatest number going to the smallest number. Do you understand? Yes? Very good. And next. So you are going to help Kelly and Kevin get home. So you are going to fill in the missing numbers. So you have to write your answers on a piece of recycled paper. Do you understand? Yes? All right. Okay, so this is Kelly. Kelly wants to go home. Right. So 1 goes up to number, what number? 2. Good job. And number 2 goes up to number 3. Okay. 4. And what's next? 5. 6, 7. And what's next? 8. And what's next? 9. Good job. And the last one is 10. So this is Kelly's home. From number 1 going to number 10. So this is an example of ascending orders. From the smallest to the greatest number. Do you understand? Yes? Good job. All right, so how about Kevin? Kevin wants to go home. So we are going to start with number 10. 10 goes down to number, what number? 9. 8 goes down to number 7. Good job. 6. And it goes down to number 5. What's next? 4. 3. And it goes down to number 2. And the last one is 1. So this is Kevin's home. Do you understand? All right, so this is an example of descending order from 10 going down to number 1. From the greatest number to the smallest number. Do you understand? Yes? Very good. All right, so that is for today. See you next time. Goodbye.